today's video we are going to be unboxing the Eyescream Beauty Box. Now this is actually the box from February, but don't worry, I'll come back with March's. But it arrived and it's here, and you guys know how much I love this. I have so many people that say they are looking for a very makeup heavy subscription, monthly subscription. You guys, if that's what you're looking for, I found it. Check out Eyescream Beauty Box. I'll get into all the information, the deets, as well as what's in the February box for you guys. But before we jump into the video, welcome to the girl who fell flat outside her comfort zone with her makeup today. Yep, that's me. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play, and remember, this makeup washes off. It's not that serious. We are here to have fun. Keep it cute or put it on mute. Okay? Anyways, guys, before we get into it, I feel like some people may want to know what makeup I have on. I do have the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome palette on. I played around with all of the greens. As far as my lipstick, if you guys caught my Gerard Cosmetics mystery unboxing, which may still be going right now, if not, they always have styles going on. But I have on the Metal Matte Grape Crush lipstick that was in my mystery box. You guys, I am not a fan of matte lipsticks, but this is uber comfortable. I've had it on for well over an hour now. I don't have crusty, icky lips at all, so I'm pretty happy with that. So as far as my makeup goes, my base, I do have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydra Manic Tinted Glow Hydrator in the shade 41 Light Medium. It is a bit too dark, so I did mix it with my Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Light. I think it's still a little off, but it's fine. These two together, super comfortable. Each one on their own, wonderful. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So a little information about the Eyescream Beauty Box. First and foremost, customer service, absolutely amazing. She reaches out to me every single month and she asks, can I send you another box? Do you mind? Absolutely not. Great to chat with, and you guys have said the exact same thing. As far as the boxes go, within the USA, $24 a month. If you do sign up for a 3-month or 6-month prepay option, you do pay less. They actually offer international options for shipping as well. If you do want to pay month to month and have it shipped to you internationally, it does start off at $34. But again, if you prepay, you do save some money as far as that goes. They do say that your first box will ship within 7 days of signing up. It does say you will be charged the 11th of the following month. You can cancel it anytime. You do get a payment reminder after the first bag. Bags ship on the 15th. Shipping within the US typically takes 2 to 5 business days. Sometimes due to COVID, as we know, a lot of places are a little behind. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into, oh my gosh, how cute is this? You guys, they're little heart things. And they're the biodegradable kind. Like, I want to lick it, but that would be weird. But anywho, this is what the packaging, not that you guys care. You guys, if you guys missed my last video of me looking like this, I told y'all I woke up apparently way too early. I don't have enough caffeine, and the thyroid is not on my side today. The brain fog is real, so I'm probably going to be stumbling, stuttering, and struggling. It's like the 3 S's. Anyways, here we are. So this is the February box. You do get a little piece of paper letting you know of the items in here, the retail value. The one thing I can tell you guys when it comes to the Eyescream Beauty Box, they are really good. Every single month you will receive an eyeshadow palette, which you know your girl is an eyeshadow palette lover. I can't even speak. I'm an eyeshadow palette queen, guys, like obsessed. And you will always get a brand new eyeshadow palette in the Eyescream Beauty Box. So the first item in here that I do see with the cute little pink hearts is, it looks like it is the Be a Bombshell. I think this is an eyeliner, or maybe it's a lip liner. Let's see here. It is. It's a lip liner, and it does have a retail value of $14, and it's actually in a really pretty, like, peachy nude shade, so this is perfect. Obviously, it doesn't work with me today, but you guys know that's typically my jam. The next item in here, I see it says blush on here. It looks like it is by Mirabella, and it does have a retail value of $28. This is a brand that we see in here a lot, and it's actually new to me, but I have been playing around with it, and I really do like their formula. I think the last one I had was like a powder. I think it was like a really pretty powder. So this is what the case looks like. It's a nice little plastic case, and it's a blush duo. Ooh, this is pretty. It's in the shade Sweetheart and Babe. This reminds me a lot of like Jouer Cosmetics, you know how they have, or Cover FX. That's really pretty. So this one definitely looks like a matte shade, and then this one has a little bit of shimmer in here, almost like a blush topper or highlighter. So this is really pretty, and again, retail value $28. The next item in here is by Hikari, and again, this is another brand I'd never heard of until the Eyescream Beauty Box. This looks like it is a lipstick, and it does have a retail value of $17. So this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, that's such a Hailey color, but I feel like it would be so pretty with this shirt too. That is so pretty. It is like a fun, like red orange. It's in the shade Reef. That's actually gorgeous, guys. You're gonna see these colors on me. Your girl's slowly getting outside that comfort zone, and I'm really proud of myself. Oh my goodness, look at this. So the next item in here is a complete brush set, and it's so cute. It's called the Enchanted Rose 5-piece full face brush set. How cute is this? This is by Crown Brush, and it says it has a retail value of $10. It looks more expensive to me than that, but that's awesome. By Crown, I mean, you guys know they have great brushes, so that is so pretty. I can't wait to like try that out. And then of course the last item in here is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Florine by Ruby May. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It does say 18 color eyeshadow. Oh, this is pretty. I mean, perfect, because you know your girl's getting outside that comfort zone. How pretty is that? You've got a nice mix of mattes and shimmers. I mean, that is so pretty. I have to touch. Ooh, that's pretty. I always gravitate towards these teals. Let's try this matte yellow. How pretty is that, guys? Let's do this pink. That seems to be another color that I gravitate towards, is these pinky shades right here. Let's see. I mean, that is nice. I mean, I know swatches don't tell the full story, but those are pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay, I will be playing with this palette for sure. Again, make sure you are following me over on Instagram, because I've actually been really good about when I'm playing in makeup like this. I've actually been posting pictures over on my Instagram with, hey guys, look, your girl went outside of her comfort zone again. That is everything for the February box. I'll have a link over to Eyescream Beauty Box down below for you guys if you're interested in picking them up. If I do have a coupon, I will make sure to have that listed and linked down below. It's not an affiliate or anything like that. It's just a way that if you guys want to jump over there and save some money, why not, you know? Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I told you guys, if you were looking for a very makeup heavy subscription, this is it. This is where it's at. If you are trying to grow your makeup or if you are trying to grow your makeup collection, I feel like this is a really good box to look into. Again, it's $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. You're not locked in or anything like that, so try it out for a couple months and see what you think about it, you know? I mean, we got blush, we got eyeshadow, we got a whole face brush, we got lipstick, lip liner. I mean, you're definitely seeing more makeup than anything. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna pop my QR code up over here. If you guys want to give me a follow over on Instagram, I would greatly appreciate it. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the Eyescream Beauty Box, and don't forget to follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I actually have a fashion to figure haul coming. It'll probably be the same week as this video goes up. That's where my top is from. It is a new company, new brand to me, and I found some really cute items over there. So anyways, make sure to check out my vlog channel for more plus size fashion hauls. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.